So, okay, I made a trial run on this thing outside on 2 before. I think it's gonna work. Got into it a little bit right there at the router bit, but I must have rocked it just a touch coming around the corner. But anyway, I think it's gonna work good. I got my hinges here marked, and I got the center mark over here on my door latch. Well, I was tracing everything out on the door here. So if it works, it's only $20. It wouldn't have, like the best one, kind of all plastic here, but I think it'll work no more than I use it. I hope anyway. If not, I'm about to scrap this door. I'm going to show you what I did here, but I set the old door on top of this, of course. You've seen that, and this thing's set, so these marks are going to hit this point and this point. And I got the rounded hinges, so that will go up. So it should be just like that, and then tighten her down. Okay, that's on there. So I'm gonna go cut it out and see what it does. Okay, I'm gonna see what this temp does. Hopefully good. A little bit more right there. It's hard to see. I guess you don't really need to see. Yeah, that didn't take nothing off that second pass there, but see what it looks like. No, maybe it did. It's just a hair. Yeah, I didn't get into it a lot, but I did clip it right there just a little bit again, so that router must be wanting to walk on me just a little bit. So right there's my old door marked for the hinges, so line it up. This thing is actually pretty simple. They got a couple ones online that actually look a little better built. So I think if a guy did this every day or did it quite a bit, might be better. But so just like that, and that thing will travel right around. This little thing clips in there for different size hinges, and if you guys see me get stuck, that thing was up just a smudge and it stuck me. I couldn't get to go over it. Well, I did, but it took me a minute. And that little hole there is so you can start, because you don't ever want to fire a router up inside of that anyway, or a saw or anything. Okay, there's two, almost a perfect fit, so I'm happy with that. See the marks. Try don't put it on there backwards. That would probably suck. Feels like this thing is wanting to set, not totally square on that door, but that door might not be perfect. Okay, that's it. I will tell you, well, I don't see it. I heard it hit somewhere. I heard it hit that plastic, but there it is. You can see that. I don't even know where I nicked it at, but I thought it was right in there, but it didn't hurt it whatever I did. So, and it might have just been the sound of the wood thinking I was hitting this. I don't know, but that's it. So I'm gonna blow this off and get back in the garage, get it out of this weather.